What's up, everyone? It's Carl from ADV Moto again. We're down here in Manassas Mall with Power Ride University. They got a free ride day, which is sponsored by the MIC, MSF, and everybody. And it's free 30 minutes of motorcycle training. And we just grabbed a couple of the students as they came off the bikes. We're trying to get some of their impressions and see how they feel.
My name is Jose.
And my name is Jocelyn.
Jose and Jocelyn?
Yes.
How did you guys like the ride today?
Oh, I liked it. It was my first time. I have never ridden before, but it was awesome.
Okay, that's cool. What did you like about it?
The classes, the coaches are very nice. They teach you everything from simplest baby steps.
I loved it so much because the instructors were very professional, and they helped me with like everything from like the beginning to end, and everyone was just so kind. They took the time to teach us from 1 step to 2 steps to how the ride even works, and they were very patient with us depending on like our levels and how we know things. So yeah, I loved everything about it.
And last question, because we are Adventure Motorcycle, if you guys could ride a motorcycle anywhere in the world, where would it be?
California.
Oh, that's a hard question.
World.
Anywhere in the world. It would have to be. Oh, I can't decide honestly. I would say the mountains of Virginia.
The mountains of Virginia. Excellent. Well, all right, guys. Thank you very much for coming out today. It was awesome that you guys had a great experience.
Thank you.
Take care, guys.
I'm Lillian.
I'm Mel.
All right, Lillian, Mel. Lillian, could you please tell me what you thought about the experience?
I thought it was really fun. This is my first time riding a motorcycle. I'm not very good at riding a bicycle, but it was definitely a great experience.
Okay, that's cool. And?
Yeah, and it was great. I've always wanted to ride a motorcycle, and I'm here with my daughter, so to do it together was really great. Yeah, and I really understood the clutch concept, and I think for me that was great, and the instructors spent a lot of time to help us through that, and I was cruising right along. I'm ready to take the class.
Yeah, it's really cool that you guys are here together. Next question is, what did you guys find challenging about it?
I found challenging just trying to keep balance. It was a little bit tall, but I definitely noticed as we got faster, it was easier to keep balance.
That's right. When the wheels spin, it gets a little easier.
Exactly.
So, how did you find the training? Like the quality of the training?
It was probably my first time learning about the concept of like clutch and like throttle. So definitely the hands-on, like going through all the controls before we actually got on the bikes was the most helpful part.
Did you think you learned it pretty quickly, or you think?
Yeah, I think it was pretty quick to learn. I think it was quick to pick up. It was pretty good.
So last question, because we are Adventure Motorcycle, if you guys could ride anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Maybe around California. That just sounds fun.
Okay, right on.
I'd probably go to New Zealand, Australia, maybe Ireland.
Yeah.
I'd take it anywhere.
Yeah, get out there, right?
Yeah.
Get out there. That's awesome. Well, thank you very much, ladies. I'm glad you had a great time here today, and happy riding. Hope to see you on the road.
Wonderful, thank you.
Could you please tell us your names?
My name is Suvin. I'm Akanksha.
My name's Karan.
All right. How did you guys like the experience?
It was wonderful. It was really good seeing the kids ride. I loved it.
But you rode yourself too, right?
No, not me. I'm already a rider.
Oh, that's awesome. That's awesome. So you're the pro here.
Yeah, I got the kids.
Oh, well, you're doing a good job. Great. Mom of the year. Mom of the year over here.
Triumph over here. She got the hat. She got the
Oh, you ride a Triumph?
Yeah, I ride a Triumph and a Royal Enfield.
So how did you like it?
It was pretty cool, kind of scary. He's kind of nervous, but like, yeah, it was a cool experience.
That's cool. What did you find scary about it?
Understanding the brakes.
Oh.
So yeah, like how you leave the clutch and then like figuring out how to like stop.
Oh.
And stuff. So that was a little difficult.
Coordination.
Yeah, it's like
coordination.
It's like playing the drums or something. Your feet and your hands have to do stuff, right? All right. And how about you?
It was intimidating. I drive an electric car, so that's like one pedal driving. So you don't have to brake, there's no noise. So like going from that to like a motorbike, it's intense because you got the clutch, and I've never used a clutch before. So you got the clutch, you got the accelerator and the throttle, and you have to twist everything, and the noise that comes along with it. It's a lot of drama. So
How did it make you feel though?
It's nice. Once you're cruising, it makes you feel kind of invincible. It's pretty powerful. But the minute you're turning and you're going uphill, it's kind of intense. You're like, oh no, I'm gonna fall.
Oh yeah, right on.
And they have kill switches, so it's nice.
Do you guys think that you will continue to get classes and try and get a license?
Yes, definitely.
we got Matt photo bombing the video in the background. Okay.
Matt, he's the one that did this on the board.
Nice and smooth. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Break. Perfect.
If you guys could ride anywhere in the world, where would it be?
I would go to Leh Ladakh in India, the mountains, the Himalayan. I would be there.
Probably follow her.
There's like this coastal road in Australia. I don't know what it's called, but I know it's very famous. But I would ride there because I love water and I love beaches, and I think it would just be beautiful.
I think I'll take the bike to the Key Island also.
Oh, down in Florida?
Yeah.
Florida Keys are so chill down there. Lots of chickens and scooters. I love it. I love it. Well, all right, guys. Thanks very much. I'm glad you had a great time today.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
I'm Carla.
And I'm Bree.
Carla and Bree, I want to ask you guys, how did you feel about it?
It was exciting
Yeah.
It was exciting?
Yes.
Why was it exciting?
because I was actually learning the motorcycle myself, holding it up, going forward.
Right on, right on. What did you find challenging about it?
Remembering which is the throttle and the clutch, and taking your foot off, and just the whole thing together.
Okay. Did you manage to get both of your feet up?
I did. Yes.
And how did that feel?
Good.
That felt good?
Yeah.
That's awesome.
No training wheels. Yes.
No training wheels. That's right. That's right. These are the big wheels.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
And Bree?
Hardest part, daggone clutch.
The clutch.
The clutch was the hardest.
Do you think you improved on the clutch?
Sure, yes. We're gonna go with It was much better than when I started, so yes.
Well, there you go. There you go. How long was your time out on the course? Roughly.
I honestly couldn't even tell you. You kind of lose track of time, which is good. You're like in your own world out there.
Just because we are Adventure Motorcycle, the question I'm asking everybody is, if you could ride anywhere in the world, where would it be?
Ooh, anywhere in the
World. On a motorcycle.
Europe, right? Europe has those crazy twisty roads, and like the speed limit is different and all that. So Europe for me.
Europe? Okay.
I'd say the mountains.
The mountains?
Yeah, the scenic views, more of the straight roads, not real heavily traveled, just to enjoy. North Carolina, Virginia back there.
That's beautiful stuff.
Yeah.
Well, all right, ladies, thank you very much for your time, and I'm glad you guys had a good experience. Hope to see you guys on the road.
Appreciate it.
Well, all right, that was some fantastic responses from some of the students. I would say overall, even just on the first day, I think it's continuing tomorrow. This has been a great success, a lot of smiling faces, and a lot of confidence built. But to kind of wrap it up, I would like to give you guys a brief chance to hear some comments on this program and what this is all about and how it started from Kim. She is the general manager of Power Ride University. All right, Kim, I just want to thank you for putting on this event. I know it's not just you, there's a lot of staff here. You know, you got coaches out here, you got trucks, food vendors and stuff. It's a tremendous event to give people some free taste of what it's like to learn how to ride a motorcycle. Can you tell me how this event kind of came together?
Yes, Carl, we are so excited to be able to partner with the Motorcycle Safety Foundation to put on Ride Day. It's one of the first in the area. It's considered a community event to introduce people to motorcycling and give them a taste of what motorcycle education is and what it can be like. And that's what we do at Power Ride University. What's the difference between a quick course like this and what they would get on the full experience where they work towards getting the certification for their endorsement? So if they sign up for Power Ride University's basic rider course, which is a Motorcycle Safety Foundation curriculum, they would take a 5-hour online classroom portion before they show up at the range, and then they come see us for range instruction with up to 12 other students. We provide the vehicles for them and all the gear, and they would ride on the range for 5 hours on a Saturday and 5 hours on a Sunday, and then upon successful completion they would get their endorsement and their MSF card. What area do you guys offer classes in? So we have schools in 9 different areas in Virginia and 1 in Maryland. We go from Winchester, Woodbridge, Manassas, Virginia Beach, Richmond, and Waldorf. Those are our areas. Last but not least, any words of encouragement you would like to say to someone who is interested in riding but they're not sure if they can? Come out, give it a try. You'll be surprised how easy it is. We have experienced coaches that are prepared to take someone that hasn't even been on a bicycle in 20 years, put you on it, make you feel comfortable, and build the confidence that it needs to ride. Very cool. And can you drop a website link for us to find out more? www.powerrideuniversity.com.
Now I want you to sit up straight and tall. I want you to have your eyes forward. I want you to visualize yourself riding down a beautiful road. And you see it in your mind? Someplace gorgeous with twisty turns and curves. If you're in Arizona or New Mexico, out in the salt flats of Utah, maybe down in the swampland of Louisiana, that's where I grew up. And while you're doing that with your hands on those controls and your hands in the right place, I want you to lean that bike to the left a little bit and straighten it up and lean it to the right a little bit. You're not going to fall. I had straighten it up. One more time. Lean to the left. Straighten up. Lean to the right. And straighten up. Keep your head and eyes up at all times.